Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and today we're comparing two popular cases from Lian Li, the LANCOOL 216 and the LANCOOL 3. The product links are in the description below. So the main difference is that the LANCOOL 3 is a more premium, feature-packed case with enhanced cooling options, while the LANCOOL 216 offers excellent airflow at a more budget-friendly price. So let's start with cooling capabilities. Both cases provide fantastic airflow, but the LANCOOL 3 has additional fan and radiator mounting options, making it ideal for high-performance build that needs extra cooling. The LANCOOL 260, while also optimized for airflow, is more streamlined and offers fewer mounting options, making it great for standard builds. In terms of build quality and features, the LANCOOL 3 shines with two less drive bays, so modular panels and more flexible capable management. The LANCOOL 216 still has solid build quality but focuses on simplicity with fewer features for modularity and cable routing. And for the RGB and aesthetics, both cases support RGB fans, but the LANCOOL 3 design allows for more customization options, including temperate glass panel and more RGB expansion options. The LANCOOL 260 is stylish as well, though it keeps things more straightforward. So finally, the LANCOOL 3 is the winner if you're looking for premium features, enhanced cooling options, and more flexibility, of course. And the LANCOOL 216 is a fantastic choice if you want solid airflow at a lower cost without all the extra bells and whistles. Thank you so much for watching this video.